Good afternoon and welcome to the Nature Boy Scenic Railway. My name is Abby and I'm very pleased to be your guide on your tour today. Just a friendly reminder, there is no eating, drinking, smoking, or vaping aboard the train with the exception of drinking water. As well as I ask that you please remain seated with your arms and legs well within the train carriage at all times. We are about to enter a 40-acre reserve consisting mostly of open woodland. It serves as a natural refuge for many wild animals and birds native to southern Ontario. Prominent vegetation in this area includes willow, ash, elm, poplar, and a large sheltering white pine forest. The Nature Boy Scenic Railway is intended as a scenic ride and not as an animal display. Therefore, it will only be by chance that some animals are seen. So please keep your eyes peeled and your cameras ready. It's also a little bit windy today, so just a reminder to please hold on to your hats. The train you're riding on is being pulled by a miniature replica of an 1863 CP Huntington steam engine. The original steam engine played an important role in the building of the western portion of the first transcontinental railroad from 1864 to 1869. Today, the original steam engine stands in front of the railroad station in Sacramento, California as a symbol of an engineering marvel from over 100 years ago. The area coming up on our right is known as Turtle Pond, and it's often where we'll see some of our painted turtles. Painted turtles are a very common freshwater species and feed on a variety of underwater plants, insects, and mosquito larvae. They are very timid creatures and will often dive underneath the water if disturbed. In addition to painted turtles, we also have snapping turtles living in many of the ponds on the property. They are very efficient predators and will lie in wait in the mud at the bottom of ponds for passing crayfish, frogs, fish, and sometimes small water birds. Just by the water's edge over on the left, we have a great blue heron. They're one of the most common types of wading birds in this part of Ontario. They are easily recognized in flight as they carry their necks in an S-shaped curve with their long legs trailing behind them.
Oh, very nice, very nice. Good feeling.
You'll also notice quite a large number of Canadian geese as you travel throughout the park today. You might also spot some goslings. The Canada goose is the most common type of goose in North America, easily recognized by their brown body plumage, their black head and neck, Approximately 100 breeding pairs will migrate to African lion safari from their wintering grounds in the southern United States. They will build their nest close to the water's edge and have about 4 to 6 creamy white eggs that are incubated for about 28 days.
वो जो देखो हाथ देखो
The large gray building coming up on our right is our state-of-the-art elephant facility designed to house the park's herd of Asian elephants. This 18,000 square foot facility features a computer-controlled ventilation system, heated floors, and natural lighting. It also has a laboratory and research center, and this enables our staff to continue their efforts in maintaining one of North America's most successful breeding programs for this endangered species. African Lion Safari is an accredited member of the International Elephant Foundation that supports conservation, education, and research worldwide. It's through their passion, expertise, knowledge, and partnerships that they inspire and engage people to ensure a vibrant future for elephants everywhere. We also have some of our Asian elephants over on the right, as well as some of our more recent additions to the herd. If you wish to see more of our elephants, as you exit the train, you're going to follow the path leading off to the right to our elephant lookout. You might also notice some boxes attached to the trees over on the right. These are called bat boxes. African Lion Safari took a very active approach in controlling the mosquito population, and we added a number of bat boxes throughout this reserve. It is interesting to know that a bat can consume over half of their body weight in insects every night. As we travel through this half of the reserve, keep an eye out for some painted turtles sunning themselves on the exposed rocks and logs in the water. Female painted turtles range from 10 to 25 centimeters long, and the males are typically smaller in size. An interesting fact about turtles is that warmer weather will actually cause them to be born female. We are now approaching the end of our tour, and I ask again that you please remain seated with your arms and legs well within the train until we have come to a full and complete stop. Please watch your head and your step as you exit from the train, and once you've exited, the path leading off to the right is the gateway to our show areas, as well as Elephant Lookout. If you're looking for the boat tour or the parking lot, that will be down the path leading off to the left-hand side. If you have any other questions about the tour or safari in general, I'd be happy to try and answer them for you. I'd like to thank you for visiting us today, and I hope you enjoy the remainder of your stay here on safari.
Hope he's setting it here.